Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into the top 5 coins that are must buys in this kind of a market. We're seeing a lot of great discounted prices across the board, specifically following Bitcoin's lead, and we can see that here with Bitcoin dropping below $45,000. You can or $46,000 here, December 17th at 10 a.m., seeing a $45,000 500 Bitcoin. So that's quite a price point for Bitcoin. Now seeing it at 46.7, we are seeing kind of a pushback, a nice little setback, but we are going to really kind of continue to watch the Bitcoin market as well as the crypto market altogether, because there's going to be a lot of coins that are going to be discounted within the next couple of weeks and probably even lower than we're currently seeing. So I want to point out a few that you guys should be watching, you guys should be investing in if you can find some slow and not slow, but some low prices altogether. So let's jump back to the price list. Let's go to some of the biggest losers in the space. So there's going to be a couple of these that I believe are worth investing in. Gods Unchained had a huge drive in the last couple of weeks, so a 10% decrease is just not enough for me to say this is worth investing in. However, Polka Starter, one that gives you a great opportunities to invest in some great projects, at $2.88, I think this is going to be almost a buy range. We're going to take a look at the last really week. You can see that it's been kind of all up and down. $3.40, $3.50 just a day, or not a day or two ago, but about a week ago. And now seeing $2.88. If we continue to see Polka Starter drop, I do think this is a buy. Seeing it anywhere around $2.50 is going to be a heck of a steal. You can see this last week about a 15 to 16% decrease. The last month still being about a 1.76% increase. But, for the most part, we're seeing Polka Starter as a great buy. So I just want to mention that as kind of a definite opportunity right now in the market. If we do jump back, though, there's so many other great opportunities. So what am I buying in this bull market? Well, with this bull market having such nice dips, giving us great opportunities, there's another great alternative to Polka Starter, and that's going to be Fetch or FET. FET right now is having a heck of a time struggling under the pressure of Bitcoin dropping as well as so many other coins dropping. So we can see right now in the last month about a 40% decrease. Now, right now in the last month, seeing about a 37.45% decrease down to a $354.7 million market cap. That is definitely one of those coins to watch out for, as there is a lot of potential right behind it. If we continue on, I want to actually point out one specific coin. So I actually have this one typed out for us, and it's going to be UOS. It's going to be Ultra. This is a coin that I think is going to do insanely well in the next couple of months, and that's seeing only a 14 to 15% decrease in the last week, but the last month is still positive, a 31.65% increase. So you may be thinking this is, still a little bit out of reach. We want this to come a little bit farther down. In my understanding, with UOS or Ultra, I think this is a coin that continues to do very well. I myself am invested and am going to continue to really kind of dollar cost average these dips if I can. A 15% decrease in the last week is definitely an opportunity for me, and I think Ultra is going to be one that a lot of people wish they invested in. I won't go into details, by the way, on all of these coins, on what they do, why their utility is so great, but if you are interested in some of these price points, make sure to jump in and do some detailed research really yourself. As you know, I'm not a financial advisor. I do want to jump though into BlockFi before we talk much more about those top 5 coins you should be looking into or investing in this bearish looking dip here. But we have a lot of excitement around BlockFi. So this is all about passive income. A lot of people have talked about passive income on crypto before. There's tons of opportunities out there. But when it comes to like Chainlink, coins that have such great utility and you want to hold them, well, they don't give you some passive income yet. They don't have staking available. So one of the best options or opportunities is BlockFi.com. I will have a link down in the description below if you guys use my link. It'll give you up to $250 worth of Bitcoin when you sign up. Doing this during a market like this is going to give you the most out of that Bitcoin as possible. And you can see here, so your crypto can earn up to 9.5% APY with a BlockFi interest account or a BIA account. Interest occurs daily and is paid monthly. There are no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and obviously no reasons to wait as well. I want to jump back though and talk a little bit more about some more losers that are worth looking into, because there's many of them. Tezos, another one, down 7.5% in the last day alone, last 24-hour period. If we take a look at the last week, about a 14% decrease. Last month, seeing a nice 20% drop, giving us a $224 million volume in the last 24 hours. Very, very low, and also that market cap starting to, really continuing to, decrease in value, now down to $3.7 billion. Tezos is definitely another one worth looking into. I want to take a look, though, into the loser section again, because there's going to continue to be some great options out there, opportunities out there. And another one that comes really personally to mind is Chili's. So Chili's we've talked about quite a bit. If you guys have been here since the early days, we've talked about Chili's quite a bit in the past. If we take a look at the past, we had a very, very nice run up all the way to about 89 cents, 90 cents. Now at 27 cents, you can see that there's been really a ton of action or price action with Chili's. If we take a look at the last week, you can see about a 10% decrease, and the last month being that 45.37% decrease. With so many different partners, so many different really great things going on with Chili's, continuing to build on its utility, I think a 45 to 50% decrease is going to be exactly what we want to jump on board with Chili's at such a low price point that'll make us really kind of bullish for 2022. I think Chili's is a great option. I want to jump into one more coin, guys, before we say that is it for the day. If we go to the loser section, okay, there's going to be a lot of losers. We've continued to talk about the losers today as our goal is to find the biggest discount and take advantage of that discount. Well, if we go to page 2, because in my opinion, this is going to be one of the biggest coins, and I talked about it, and I can't stop talking about it. It's Chainlink. Chainlink has so much utility, so many partners. It has an average of, I think it was about 1.3 partners per day. And that's just absolutely insane that they are continuing to grab that many per day on average. And it's just continuing to build on what it does best. And it's at $18.29 right now, a 6.14% decrease, about a 10% decrease in the last week, and about a 40% decrease in the last month. This is going to be a coin worth looking into. The utility is absolutely fantastic with this coin. We're going to continue to see it as the best Oracle solution out there. And if we actually go to my Twitter, we can see I just recently tweeted, so many will regret not buying Chainlink below $18. And that's still an understanding that I believe in. I tweeted this out because I did want people to realize how important Chainlink is for the crypto space in the future, and how important it really already is with the amount of partnerships it's already making such great strides on, working on staking, working on so much for the future of the crypto space, like I said. So we're excited. Personally, I'm excited. If you guys have any coins you think I may have missed out on in this last kind of 24-hour to 7-day period that may have had a huge decrease that really is worth looking into, make sure to leave it down in the comments below. I'm going to take a look at the comments, see if there's anything I may have missed out on so I can mention it in hopefully future videos if it continues to decrease and I continue to see a good buy-in or entry point for some of those coins. I will say, guys, we definitely may see more consolidation in December or even early January. So make sure to be careful investing. Make sure to do, dollar cost averaging during these market dips. It's going to be the best way to take advantage of these dips at, without risking too much or putting too much on the line. Thank you guys so much again for tuning in. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, follow me on Twitter, Crypto Prophet YT. I'll see you guys all in the next one.